Cryptid559. Hey guys, so I received this video from my cousin. He has a dash cam on his vehicle and he captured something, and I wanted to get your guys' opinion. If you can leave it in the comments, I want to know what you guys think it is. If it's a UFO, is it a reflection? Is it a airplane, a fighter jet, a commercial plane? Just let me know in the comments what you think it is. But I'm gonna tell you what I am thinking it is, or I'm not sure what it is, but I'm going to tell you what I see. So when I first see it, you're going to see the first video, you're going to see the original dash cam. Don't mind the date. The date is wrong on there, so don't pay attention to the date. This happened at the end of July of 2022. Okay, this one was captured. On the video, up, you'll see towards the sky, you'll see the shiny object come into footage for a little bit, and then it goes out. So at first I'm thinking it's a reflection from vehicles passing by, but when I think about it, there's a bunch of vehicles passing by, so there should be more of that happening. So I don't think it's a reflection. So then I'm thinking it could be a plane reflecting the sun. But then I notice how fast the object is going, and this happened in Fresno, California. So it could be a plane coming out of the airport, but it's not a commercial plane because it's pretty fast. It's actually going pretty fast. So I don't think it's a commercial plane. The only thing I could possibly be is a fighter jet. We do have fighter jets here in Fresno. So, but I'm not sure if those reflect the fighter jets reflect the sunlight. I'm not sure. I don't recall seeing them because they always pass over the house here where I live. But I've never noticed them reflecting the sun. So I'm not sure if they do reflect the sun, the fighter jets. But other than that, I don't know. Like I said, it could be the cars passing by, but there should be more. If that's the case, if the car is reflecting the sun and it's causing that image to appear, there should be more of it. I mean, I'm assuming there should be more, but I don't. We only see one coming into frame, and then it's gone. But I want to see what you guys think. I wanted to share the video with you. Again, this happened at the end of July of 2022 up in Fresno, California. Remember, don't mind the date on the dash cam. That's wrong. But let me know what you guys think. Share it with me in the comments. And we'll see you on the next one.